Hello my dear student of class 10th. As you all know that I am your science teacher Mrs. Sangeeta Pawar, and today I am going to teach you chapter 2 Human System part Blood Circulation. Alright student, so open your book and underline the important points. Alright, so blood is a type of liquid connective tissue. Okay, so we discussed about the blood in class 8 in very well. Okay, so I hope you know this chapter very well in the class 8. Okay, so blood we say that the connective tissue because it transport carbon dioxide, oxygen, and whenever we are having to eat a food, then after the digestion all the minerals and nutrients were absorbed by the blood and transport to all cell of the body. So we can say that blood is the liquid connective tissue which is present in the human and other animals that transport essential nutrients, carbon dioxide to cell, and all the metabolic waste product and carbon dioxide is given out from the cell. Okay, so it is slightly alkaline. Okay students, so underline this, what is the pH value of blood. Okay, in your half-yearly exam I will give you a question about the urine. What is the pH value of the urine? Okay, so the answer is 7.4 to 7.7. okay, so 5.5 to 7. Alright, so here you note down. Okay, so the blood value is slightly alkaline or the pH value of blood is 7.4. Blood formation occur in the red bone marrow. Underline, where is blood formed? Blood is formed in the red bone marrow. Alright, so the formation of blood in the embryo and newborn occur in the spleen. Where the blood is made in the newborn babies, their blood is made in the spleen. A normal person have approximately 5 liter blood, and they consist two parts. Fluid part is called plasma and the solid granule parts is called corpuscles. Okay, so the plasma is solid portion is made up of cells. Plasma is made up of 55% of blood, or it consists of approximately 90% of water and 8% of organic substances. Alright. Now in the blood cells, three type of corpuscles: red blood cell or corpuscles. So in these comprise 99% of total blood cells. Okay, बाकी की cells में जो solid portion होता है उसका 99% किसका होता है? RBCs. Okay, so their cell contain a protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a type of protein. Okay, it is a presence of hemoglobin. The blood is looking red. Okay, the question may rise, why blood is red? Blood is red due to the presence of hemoglobin. Okay, these cells lack nucleus and the average age is 150 days. Okay, so average RBC alive for a 4 months. So that's why the doctor is saying that you can donate your blood after every 3 to 4 months. Okay, because after the 3 months your old RBCs are dead and they are converted into the new ones. Okay, so they are also called erythrocytes and all produced in the RBC or red blood produced in the red bone marrow. Alright, so generally RBC को हम scientific name में language में क्या कहते हैं? Erythrocyte. What we call the RBC? Okay, RBC is a dish-like structure. Look at the picture. Okay, they are red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. Okay, and they are non-nucleated. Now this is the RBC cell. Look at the picture, white cells. This cell comprise immune and the form of the also form in the red blood bone marrow, and they are also called leukocyte. Okay, red blood cell we call erythrocyte, white blood cell called leukocyte. Hemoglobin is not found, so that they are colorless, and so we call them white blood cells. So in the white blood cells, two type of granulocyte और agranulocytes present. For example, granulocytes यानी WBC भी 5 टाइप की होती हैं. Granulocyte they are neutrophil, eosinophil and basophil. The most common white corpuscles in blood is neutrophil. Underline, the most common is neutrophil. It's in the term of number, the neutrophil are the predominant white blood cells found in the blood. Now, lymphocyte and monocyte are the predominant agranulocyte. Okay, so lymphocyte are the 3 type: B lymph, T lymph, and natural killing cell. So the lymphocyte cell which provide immune. Okay, underline, the lymphocyte cells provide immunity, and monocyte on mature differentiate into macrophages. And monocyte, macrophage and neutrophils are major फेगोसाइटोसिस मीन्स ये जो डेड सेल होती है या जो हार्मफुल सेल्स होती हैं उनको डाइजेस्ट कर जाती है. ऑलराइट, सो मोस्ट कॉमन यानी जो लिम्फ होती है वो सेल्स क्या बनाती है? किलिंग सेल्स होती हैं और जो फाइट करती हैं. ऑलराइट, और जो मोनोसाइट होती है वो मैक्रोफेजेस होती हैं यानी वो जो हार्मफुल सेल्स होती है उन्हें डाइजेस्ट करती है. क्लियर? लुक एट द पिक्चर. दिस इज द white blood cells. Okay, the different type of white blood cells. These are the platelets and these are the RBCs, and this is the vessels. This is the blood vessels, or this is the vessels wall. All right. Now platelets, you all know that the scientific name platelets is known as thrombocytes. Okay, in your examination question may rise what is erythrocytes, what is thrombocyte, what is the work of thrombocyte. So don't confuse them. You also learn the scientific name of RBC, WBC and platelets. Alright, so their number in the blood is 3 million per cube millimeter and their lifespan is only 10 days. And these cells primarily help in blood clotting and are devoid of nucleus. Okay, ये क्या करती है? The platelets help in the blood clotting. Okay, look at the picture. This is the platelets. Now, what is the function of blood? I know you are know about the functions of the blood. Okay, so the blood is the vital tissue in the body of the organism which is perform many type of function. First, they exchange oxygen or carbon dioxide between the environment and the tissue. Environment से gases exchange होके lungs तक जाती है. Lungs से alveoli air से they transport to the all cells of the body. Now they transport nutrients यानी food के digest होने के बाद में उसे हर एक सेल तक पहुंचाने का काम भी कौन करेगा? Blood. They control the pH value. They control the body temperature of 37 degree. They execute the immunity related work. They transport the hormones or other necessary molecules as per need, and they excrete the waste product from the body. Now types of blood, you all know that in a human body we having a 4 type of blood group: A, B, AB and O. Okay, so the antigen A and B found in the red blood cells. Okay, so if the person blood group A, so antigen A, and a person B blood group is B, then antigen is B. Or if a person have a blood group AB, then they having both antigen A and B. Or if a person having a blood group O, they do not have any antigen. Okay, so these blood group we say ABO blood group. Okay, in a short form the blood group we call ABO blood group. Okay. In addition, AB के अलावा we having a RH factor found in the surface of red blood cell. अगर किसी पर्सन में RH factor है, then we call RH positive. Well, अगर किसी पर्सन के ब्लड में RH factor is absent, then we call RH negative. Alright, so 80% of people is in the world is RH positive. Now, how is blood circulate in the body? So the circulatory system is the combination of various organs that transport gas, digestive food, nutrients, hormone and excrete waste from the body. Among various body cells, human have a closed, means the blood is flow inside the tubes. So we having a closed circulatory system. Okay. So we having a blood, heart and blood vessels. A part of blood, another fluid is called lymph, also form in the part of this transport. The lymph moves through a special mechanism is called lymphatic system. This is an open circulatory system. Okay. So look at this picture, blood circulation. So we call double circulation system because at the same time the oxygen is intake in the body and carbon dioxide is given out. So both the process are in the same time. So we call double circulatory system. Okay. So in the circulatory system, blood is act as a liquid medium that play the role of the movement of transporting the substance. The heart is the center of the pumping the blood. Okay. Look at the picture. When from the alveolar air oxygen is coming, pulmonary vein, you know that pulmonary artery and veins, we know that the veins are carried impure blood and arteries carried pure blood, but the pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein is the exception case. Pulmonary vein is carried oxygenated blood and pulmonary arteries carried carbon dioxide blood. Okay, so pulmonary vein take blood and give to the heart. From the heart, okay, aorta is giving to the all of the body part. From the veins, carbon dioxide is from the RBC collect by the veins and give it to the heart, and by the heart pulmonary artery take the carbon dioxide genesis blood, give to the lungs, and then we taking out carbon dioxide from the body. So heart is the red colored closed fist shape, यानी हमारी एक मुट्ठी के बराबर होता है, and made up of muscular tissue, or they are surrounded by double wall membrane is called pericardium. Pericardium is a fluid called pericardium fluid. हार्ट के इनसाइड के फ्लूइड को पेरिकार्डियम फ्लूइड कहेंगे और हार्ट की जो मेम्ब्रेन होती है उसे पेरिकार्डियम कहेंगे. और फ्लूइड क्या करता है कि हार्ट को बाहर की कोई शॉक लगने से प्रोटेक्ट करता है. So you all know that heart having a 4 chambers, 2 atrium and lower 2 is a ventricle. So on the dividing of heart vertically, the left and right part, we find each part of heart consists atrium and ventricle. एक तरफ right atrium, right ventricle, दूसरी तरफ left atrium, left ventricle. Okay. So atrium and ventricle on the left side consist of the bicuspid wall, which is called the mitral valve or left atrial valve. Okay. So the atrium and ventricle of the right side connect with each other by tricuspid wall, which is also known as right AV wall. These walls present the blood to move in reverse direction. यानी हार्ट जो होते हैं लेफ्ट और राइट जो ट्रियम होते हैं उन दोनों के बीच में ट्रियम और वेंट्रिकल के बीच में वॉल्स होते हैं और ये वॉल्स ब्लड को फ्लो बैक करने से प्रिवेंट करते हैं कि ऑट्रियम से वेंट्रिकल में वापस वेंट्रिकल में आने के बाद में वेंट्रिकल से ऑट्रियम में ब्लड फ्लो नहीं होता है. सो दीज वॉल प्रिवेंट ब्लड टू मूव इन दी रिवर्स डायरेक्शन. The opening or closing of the heart valve generally the type of sign love and up. जब बंद होते हैं valve and open होते हैं, then we hear the sound of love and up. So this sound is felt during the heartbeat, and this is the picture of the heart. Okay. So here is the left atrium, left ventricle. This is the right atrium, right ventricle. The wall present in the left atrium and left ventricle is bicupid, and there is the tricupid. Okay, and this is the pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. So the atrium and ventricle are arranged in the continuous rhythmic construction and relaxation. So the heart pump blood into the different part of the body. The impure waste of the body carried by the right atrium by vena cava, and after collecting the right atrium, the right ventricle wall open and blood is transferred to the inside the ventricle. Now when the construction of the right atrium, the pulmonary artery transport the impure blood to the lungs, or within the lungs through the respiring process the impure blood is oxidized and made clean or giving out. Okay, so the pulmonary brain bring the pure blood, means oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium. प्योर ब्लड कहाँ आता है? लेफ्ट atrium में. फिर लेफ्ट आर्टरियम से एवी वॉल्व के थ्रू वो कहाँ आ जाएगा, लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल में। और ड्यू टू कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल, अरोटा जो कि बिगेस्ट आर्टरी होती है, दे ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑक्सीजनेटेड blood to all part of the body. So this circle run continuously, so this is called heart cycle, and the construction of cell is called systole and the relax of heart is called diastole. Okay, so systole और diastole के थ्रू ही डॉक्टर जो होता है वो हमारी हार्ट बीट को मेजर करता है। In the circulation process, the blood pass twice in the heart. ओके, एक बार इम्प्योर ब्लड फ्रॉम बॉडी से बाहर आता है और एक बार प्योर ब्लड फ्रॉम बॉडी से लंग्स के थ्रू बॉडी के इनसाइड में आता है। सो प्योर ब्लड इज देन सेंड बैक टू द लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल टू अरोटा। सो दिस टाइप ऑफ सर्कुलेशन वी कॉल डबल ब्लड सर्कुलेशन। वन इज द सिस्टमेटिक सर्कुलेशन एंड सेकेंड इज पल्मोनरी सर्कुलेशन। सो सम कार्डियोवैस्कुलर मसल्स इज सेल्फ स्टिमुलेटेड एंड कंट्रोल द पेस ऑफ द हार्ट एक्टिविटी। सो जो हार्ट की एक्टिविटी को कंट्रोल करती है उन मसल्स को हम क्या कहते हैं, पेस मेकर। इफ द ह्यूमन पेस मेकर इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली देन द आर्टिफिशियल पेस मेकर और मशीन आर फिटेड इनसाइड द हार्ट, सो द ह्यूमन बॉडी वर्क प्रॉपरली। ओके, सो ह्यूमन बॉडी इज हैविंग द ब्लड वेसल्स। ओके, सो सर्कुलेशन इज डन इन द ट्यूब, सो वी हैव call them closed circulatory system. So blood vessel from the thick which blood flows and reaches to the cell, these are arteries and veins. Okay, you all know that arteries carries oxygenated blood and transport the blood ahead of the heart, and the veins, which is the vessels which using carbon dioxide or impure blood containing the body waste and flow. So blood vessels after reaching the tissue and organ form the extensive cluster of Klappages. तो जैसे जैसे आर्टरीज और वेन जो होती है हमारे बॉडी के हर एक सेल तक पहुंचती है, वैसे वैसे वो वेरी थिन मीन्स कैपिलरी लाइक अ हेयर लाइक थिन होती जाती है और हमारी हर एक सेल तक ब्लड फ्लो का या ऑक्सीजन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का काम को पूरा करती है। सो दिस इज योर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन सिस्टम. So I hope you clearly understand about the circulatory system. If you have any of the doubt, then ask me the question. Alright student, so draw the diagram of double circulatory system and your heart. So you have to do practice at your home, and whenever in your exam the question is coming from the circulatory system, so draw the both of the diagram in your examination. Thank you for watching.